Aya, gatho cia mwanya mwirore wa Muthingi TV na riu atakirenge ajaire ho ni twacokereria na ikereka ritu riu ria gatatu ari ri ikereka riria rigukorwo rigitutirihira tabarira itu ya muthenya wa mothe kiumia kihituku na makiria nitoko tukeriria uhoro wi gikiri gwitu relationship na makiria maundu macio mothe ririkana muthenya wa Tuesday niguo tukona mutarani uria koragwo gituthomithia maundu maya na njira ndikeru na koguo agokathie kana ni tuthiete riu na mbere na guthoma maundu maya o ta uria mathiete riu na mbere na kuhanika no riu ndenda tuingire kindu gigwitwo family setup na makiria kana setup ya riu family haria twina mutumia haria twina muthuri haria twina ciana kana maundu ta macio no riu ni ukoretwo na andu megwitwo andu aria matendaga kwirwo kana andu aria tungiuga ni iterwo matirikaga merwo ndo matirenda mendaga o ni gukorwo ni mena the final say acio nia na how does being a narcissist ni gudagi wameta guna githungu eku affect ya relationship yaku ni ungejuria macio no ne mone kuithirania mothe no ne kyo kurehagira mutarani uria tigagira ati ni ya gutara na ninge no athi ukimenyaga maundu ta macio na kiri yagireire karibu sana once again go kwa Muthingi TV kuroti good.
Karibuni sana.
Aya, asante. Muthe twari horo wegi andu megwitwo narcissist iterwo. Na makiria relationship ine kana makiria family ine. He mundu rarigo iterwo nia twambiriria hau who are they ani andu mahana atia.
Aya ari hau ndo moko twa makimenyera muno kugati athuri niyo materagwo ka narcissist ri.
Yes.
Most said mame ne anaga muno mwena wa athuri.
Correct.
No muthe detwali horo wa athuri na atumia ituminiki.
Good.
Athuri matiaragia ona magiko atumia niyo narcissist. No atumia they are all over.
Correct.
Number 2 atumia ni maraninwo muno ni athuri aya.
Yes.
Ndorere hakinya handu heho wenda kuma.
Yes.
No anyita twali horo wa riri mundu uyu koragwo niwe weyiguite muno. Sorry. Niwe woi muno.
Yes.
Niwe weteketie muno. Niwe muthaka muno. Niwe muge muno. Niwe wina uge muno.
Yes.
Mundu ucio. Otoya atiriri ona we muthaka wina kawoje handu.
Yes, wina kawoje gaku handu.
Ona ore degree 3 no wina masters 5.
Correct.
Na PhD igiriri wina kawathe. Matatekagira gwika uguo ni twari horo wao mu.
Good.
Ati matida kumenya atiriri I may be perfect. In one way,
yes,
but in the other way, dio ndiramenya jikare thikiririe jiru.
Correct.
Matithikagiriria aya matiguaga.
Yes.
Omo ni cio ciongo. But what do they forget? Mena ngingo na mena moko.
Yes.
Maitho no anyita.
Yes.
Makaga no maundu mama mothe mwanaga o mari kiongo. Nikiona they no relationships.
Yes.
Especially lately. Kwina kulaga na kuingi muno.
Correct.
Kwanaga na kuingi muno.
Yes. Na
mishimiki muno irora. Even at very young age.
Yes.
Akora andu mahikanirie. Let's do even in social media you can even check one aga nganyara horirwo ni ngania nyara muthuni aroire mayarachi na mutumia.
Yes.
Aramuna guoko kwali gweterere. O mundu wathire ko.
Correct.
O mundu. I believe tukendana na another uhikieri wa dare party yako.
Good.
That's why we say better half. Who dale wajoire.
Yes.
Guhingie nuthu yo tari nayo. No ni wanyuna guoko. Ni wajina na mai.
Yes.
Na wahura he wada every time I have a black eye.
Yes.
What's the meaning of all this?
Tori horo igi kindu gigwitwo njuragano na makiri iria cionekanite ukorwo ciambatirite na njira nene na ni undu wonekanite mahinda kwa mahinda ukorwo ukiambatira andu ni moraganire na andu marakinya handu makoragana nginya na njira ya unyamu muno gakora mundu ni oraga mutumia yake na family yake na gacoka we kwita andu ene hari na haria mambagiriria tugikinya hau mundu ucio kwambiriria hau ri the marital status ya andu aya makoragwo mambitie ha
one thing, a narcissist is not someone oka atuka narcissist akora.
Correct. Kogo ni kindu kira develop.
Okay. It's a disorder.
Ni ta murimu.
It's a disorder.
Yes.
Tendo nundu kwago werere. Kwa ukinyanira. Na kinya hali ciana ciaragwo in that kind of a disorder.
Yes.
NPD no wakwa mwana ucio ri he andu akinyaga tondu wa gukura kuri arakurira ri na environment ri agakura agicenjagia maundu tondu gatukayana atiriri
yes
mitugo ya mwana etuo kiria eri kinya miaka 8
yes
meaning ikonwa nesensire mwana waku ndendaga ni every time in tantrums no wacenjirie mwana ucio ata young tender age neguo no ni wakinya handu ya gutikea ugikaya gushugulika umwana oy it is my right mwana oy etenyina pizza fanyina oy hasara fad
yes
agere pizza
correct
mwana oy ati akwenda kwa bedroom yake kafanyina oy roni mathame nyumba mathame nyumba nene mwana akula oy it's my right
good
so mwana akagimala oy it is my right
yes
hoda agatekira kwirwo no akinya handu acemania na muiritu muthaka amuhikia maika nake nyumba muitu aja gutukuma tere you know darling I was thinking you don't think in my house I say you follow
yes
nwanyita muturiro ucio wakwa muturiro very hard
yes
mono hende akerwo no no etuke ni no
yes
yafiyo
yes
one thing eka ni aga cause damage thini wa mundu ucio amwira no
correct
niki or to be the first experience in his life kwirwo no udoge gwatiriri
yes
ona muitu the same way mwitu wa mulela awe maundu mothe ni mega ni mega ni mega athi thikuria njega ekatia ahikio ni duati ndine mwana twikare let's listen together I'm the man akoria listening together as who furthermore I have na yukorwa atiriri wena PhD ri wena ndio kama masters ndugu so ukumukinyira ri arona wathi hana acha kabata haha niguo the next thing wathuni maikareirwo mugati muthu ndaragia no amaja karia muno no wakendari
correct ndari mugambo
ndu wake
yes
mutumia wake ri she is a narcissist
yes
ona ki mutumia othia kema guthi kuhena ndeto kema no mucio ndaragia ri kinya ukana magogo tondu ni aguthitwo hwairi riri
yes
na the same thing but today we are saying enough is enough
good
enough is enough because turakua ki kege yetu bite turagane wawi tuoera ngai twadoro tare witu niki death should be natural
tugeterere mundu gwitwo wa elimu undu ni developaga from an early stage
yes
na neturania atiriri ungigakinya handu tuike ati wewe mundu teragwo ri ni hari process ya mundu kwirwo ati can it be amended uhoro no uthondekwo tondu warire tuga ni ta muti urambia haria kienda ugoka ri ukurite ugatwika muti munene no turania atiriri muti uyu uri no urungwo
no urungwo ajikorwo mundu uria mwenake
yes
he maundu me andu amenda uko mena muno one uthikiririo
yes
ungimenya this person with love especially at wikihiko-ini
yes
nuko atiriri he mutumia wendo ka muthu kana narcissist muthura kanje yundu agafiritika na kaje gufiritika nake handu hakwenyihia umuthikiririe then bring on board tondu juaga atiriri hari hatwambanireirie
niguo
tukebanirie nawe ri
yes you are a narcissist very true
nitwendanire
yes
ndithika rugendo tukienda kwena atiriri yes I do
yes
nwanyita
correct
why don't we walk in the same journey ungimenya ati muthura kunya kinya handu wona mitugo yareka
yes
tia kumuonia ya mutua
kogu mundu no acenjike mundu mugima no acenjike
wega muno what happens you calm them down tugire tere disorder niguo tugire na hari matoi no merirwo no monirio nwanyita so what happens is muthuri uyu ri watu kuona ni akinya level iyo ri we mutumia what do you do bow no nduka bow kuga ni wati mu bow muhuragwo munagwo moko ne akogutha ukamwikaria thi no kamwetero na mundu ungi ni wakingutha kwa thiatea andu ya njira mutumia muthenya wa muthe kana muthuri ndio ta kofia ya keri
kofia ya keri
kofia ya keri thini wa kihiko cia kurieterera ndio kofia ya keri yo kale rohio ya gatatu ri yo kale reke rohio ila gatatu etigo shino gashino so it is very important that when we do all these things let's be sober that we are in a relationship that we need to grow together wakimenya ogwo ri ndugifundithie mundu uyu maundu
correct
tuatiriri in marriage it is learning process
it's a learning process correct
nonyita and learning process means every day nimenyaga haya ndeka gona wajia gwika haya question but why say and without of love Mwanyita
that ni kugatiru no mundu ucio no ambia kumucenjia
actually the word here ti kumucenjia ni kumutwa kire wenda atuike na mutulanie
ni possible
I'm telling you everything is possible because one thing
Ngai
agetumba ri Ngai we mwenye no tacenjagia everything else in the world can change but how do you change it
correct
omothe no ayaga unywaga drugs ukamutwara rehabilitation center
very true
umutwara niki agacenjie meaning everything can change but the question is how do you change it lirikana deragwo lirikana ni koigi
correct
mwanyita but koigi ukumutua thini wa undu areka ri umunite by the baba wajiko it's okay ugato tuthie gicagio muthi no ndenda atuya tugoria atiriri tujigathie rucio ni andike undu munana na tugiuka ri muonithia atiriri I respect your word but I request not that I want I request we do A B C D with the time nyaka realize mukode wa mere hakwana kwa mutumia wako so I may be 80% but 28 have contributed 20%.
Good.
That's why we have women today and men today are in relationships and in marriages, men are narcissists, but they're not affected by it because they made a decision to go above it. Yes. To the modo yole, how do we? Ogemu dako yodo kamulia haya. Awa waneki. Nari wakawa shiri yetu na kada wate. Kamulo dogi. Todie aya. As in, you question this person with wisdom. And you question the triggers the person's mind.
Correct.
But na mama shiko sikuza shida akiniuliza. Akere modo. Akere modo. Because we have also people now matoy. What they are. But they know they have authority. Nwanyita no haria now mashiri moya terere mutumia daragia mutumia ni wakwirwo niona mutumia kinya hando akamugaruhe the next thing kamuikia the third thing kamura mbere ya ciana the fourth thing akainwo ciana
ni tuga atiriri undu uyu wambagia kuma haria kienda na tukiugo horo uyu wambagia haria kienda ri hari na kiuria nguria wita mutumia kitoberi na atumia wita mutumia ri ni signs iriku ukuona muthuri waku ni ambia kugia nacio wambia kumenya haha he kaundu karahitana haha he kaundu gatarathie wega all signs iria tungiuga nicio twitaga red flags.
It's very easy to note. Kugira terere who is a narcissist mundu nderago mundu anyway the head in every angle ona office ko butawa wera nderago office these people they are head everywhere not in their homes mutumia no igira nyumba wakora muthuri wa mwe hera nguo ekire akwira ati ndagwikira icio awikeia we arenda wa mwe hera ije kwa ndikwenda icio azinya gutua riri undu mutumia wake we no tuka mutumwa wake
no tiga tuka mutumia na mutumwa no tuka mutumwa riu
nona kana ndungata no anyita no he ndungata ya gethemba kingi we no na ndungata ni kuga atia ti ndungata ya ndungata Ngai na ndungata andu a Ngai mundu ne ndio haras ne ndio disrespect even in the presence of people.
Yes.
Mukamira hado wana we hubanagia atia wana we waragia atia wana we kaga atia.
Yes.
Neja ku disrespect kinya hida muna arata neja kuonania ni aragwatha ona mbere ya andu. Mothe hado we taka we everywhere everybody has to know ni muthuri waku.
Yes.
Mundu neja kuona atiriri ndarenda ko muko muri nake ndara ku appreciate how you would want
good
ati mwathi hado kona ni agutiga thutha we ukage
ndi nguci ucio mutugo ni ukoragwo na thuri aingi muno aguku gikuyu-ini.
And you see why?
Yes.
Ndio makorire moya atiriri mutumia ni wakuonwo ti wakuiguo.
Correct.
Muthuri ni mugambo.
Yes.
Na that narrative has to change. Ndio ndio wakoraga atiriri thoguo ri kure mucii ri utundu ekaga.
Yes.
Migwa no okire athie tahe mai athie unengo.
Yes.
Oke aruge na athie mugunda akarime tu hamwe acoke akame hwaini.
Yes.
Muthuri ni kiareka karedio
togo ithikiriria
karedio.
Yes. Radio Taifa
marauga atia.
Yes.
No musha muri no wathia kurihwo mbeca icio
ni muthuri.
Afu arihwo akagatia
agathire
yes. Ona neko kindu akeroto thika kugurire nguo komana nake thoko. Yes. Kwamwe kwenda no akwira weke kiginda kire kene ndo gure kiginda kiria kire kihano niguo. They were dictators.
Yes.
I say they were dictators.
Correct.
But one thing those men of that generation did, one thing they did, ni hinya muno mangiahuriria atumia ao.
Yes.
No anyita, besides everything else.
Yes.
Ni mai na karumu kao maika malaika. Mutumia makamwigana hau.
Yes.
But today's man, don't have space here. Yakona karumu gake wikire. You are in the same house with this woman.
Good.
And the modern man, tietene muda urathie kurimwo.
Yes.
Mutumia uyu ri aina we aina guo ndwenda akaute wira takage mbeca gukirie.
Yes.
Waje kumukuma arutaga wira kwa nation uramuruta kuo arutaga wira muthingi uramuruta kuo niki
Ugo isho nisho tugiuga some of the signs.
The red flags.
Yes.
At you are working in a place that auta wira ucio.
Undu ciru ni ambia na gukuhe nginya ile mithia.
One. Ona kunyoko ona actually they even quote the Bible.
Yes.
Any mutumia ni wako na guthondeka mucii. Yes. Mutumia ciwa njaka nyumba nake mutumia guthondeka mucii.
Yes.
And you because you are innocently in love with this person and innocently ready to submit to this person. I kara mucii tuka housewife.
Good.
Thithia 3 months ri.
Yes.
Okorio uretia besha uthukumaga iriko. Juu kwa sada weja juire yo.
Yes.
Because I don't see sense of in that.
Correct.
Nani ndo akwenye wako keja juire.
Ugathi ukeja juire.
The next thing will happen.
Yes.
Ukero kinya ukire ngosha mituguo. Ukaena cio. Ona mutumia ni akurire aikiria but miaka yake tiria yake fadi.
Good.
Niki life has been so hard. Never give this woman a chance of growth, a chance of love.
Wow. Those are some of iria tugiuga ni red flags. Ni tori uhoro wa riri. Riu mutumia kana muthuri ni signs iri kwambia kuna hari muthuri ambie kugati riu haha ni ndambia kuna tadona red flags na mundu ru ni hari arathi ni gutuika narcissist kuligana uria ndirona kana ni gutuika mundu uteragwo.
One thing that happens
ndatuika
ordinary
ni atuikite
they don't form. Kugira tere ni mundu akoragwo na kuraga ari naguo. Kogwo ri when you want red flags the best thing you can do only two choices.
Correct.
Either you walk with your 2 legs.
Yes.
Or you start the house to survive with this person. Ngado gatiriri mutumia oyo muthuri wake aramuhura mbara ri. Use your 2 legs. Use tugatiriri na atumia mite maige muno. We have 5 common senses but we have an extra one as a woman. Who's that other one?
The 6th sense.
Yes, 6th sense. Tumireo. Hondu wahore mundu ni akohura muri na kanyumba. Na no makwahire gwake. Iti akorahire.
Yes.
So nikeje gwika. Nje ku reject.
Yes.
Automatically. Because when a man raises his hand to slap his woman.
Correct.
That's total rejection. Na denajia hau.
Yes.
nyambite akurumithia ari andu akwagera giteo handu akunyarithia fala
good
mathia kanitha ara utiga ukawe wiki na ciana
yes
na ngari
yes
no nyita kana you know having issues ama he nenda kuna na mabeshte zangu akulia aliku ne kwedi kwenda kuna mwena wa jiko tukathia na wabua manyita
yes
muthuri abere ni ndokwetwa naguo so what do you do as a woman when you see this one happening? Use your sixth sense now. Be active 24/7.
Good.
Umenya ni kiki wina kio. Ni mutumi wa mothe ni ndiraugwa riki na ngauga riki. Hede muthuri akwe otige wira ri akwira uthieko.
Yes.
Watiga wira wa jiko. God forbid yagekua. God forbid yageoja.
Yes.
Na watigira wira. What do you do? Because today's lifestyle is not the older lifestyle right now yashiagito.
Yes.
Mari maga kahua na mashani. Mahakama.
Good.
Makediria.
Yes. Maundu ni mashajiria.
Umuthi. Yes. Nyumba twariha. Nyumba yaro ngiri 20 na ngiri 30.
Yes.
Irio nicio cio twathi muthu maka twenda na ngiri.
Yes.
Wathi kuweta ndo cia ngiri o. Ngiri o rio rathi na weka shopping ya mweri mugima. No no ika nyumba I'm a housewife, my husband is the best. Mungu cio nanyuka kugutha ruhi inde na stress ri ukoria u.
Atire.
Mundu ne uthia ahe pressure wira-ini. Aiwe kuna taxi irarengwo. Aiwe ni chef ni rongererwo. Na ro kama atere ni kuna nataka tufanyie shopping. Karibu ni kiura uga.
Correct.
Abeca iria ciarengwo ningi nicio ndaga ningi ndiwakuhe. Avoid this by being an active woman. Be an active woman. Let him come with 100,000. Come with 20,000.
Haya, ne hari notion ino neri ikoragwo ho na ndiyo niki gitumaga notion ino yonekane ukorwo igithi na mbere na kuonekana muiretu ahikio ne mundurume akariganirwo ati nake nego ni guteithiriria mundurume hari gukinyaniria kioneki kia mundurume uyu na riu gakora airetu aingi na makiria kiru ndimete atumie tondu ni akihika mundu cio ni ahana ta maundu make mothe eho cia hari mundurume uyu akiuga man is supposed to provide mundurume no wagwo ni ukora agika provision in such a case tuikaga hatia.
It's very clear. The Bible says
yes,
a woman is a helper.
Correct.
Yes, a man provides. But who is a helper?
The woman.
The woman. How do you help this man? One, help him to be the person God ordained him to be.
Yes.
Number two, help him accomplish the dream that he ever had in his life. Number three, help him build a family. Correct. Strong in faith, okay, and strong in stature.
Good.
Oh, help, Ureka. Help.
Yes.
Help. Serve this man. Help.
Yes. Yes.
So even I call Olani Besha kana kaya muthuri. You are helping. Ana kama mudhuri wako naiko ni walari hanyumba ri.
Yes.
Ukana nyeni wa indi.
Good.
Help. Be a helper who is present.
Correct.
A helper who is felt. Not just a helper later. Because today's life is not the former life.
Yes.
Today, unless we work together, they can never work.
Yes.
Because schools,
nishisho. Good.
Bills. Bills
nishisho. Yes.
Okay. Lifestyle niweyo. So, Afrika nyoba. Mimi, unajua ndo atia kwa job.
Yes.
Ata provide. Then, God forbid, cover the heat.
What next?
What next?
Yes.
Are you causing that to happen? Because one hand is not the hand of today. Na mama mitoe kulale. Wafafanya vya wera ntukakula tukakula.
Yes.
Mami nake atiwa ikate. As a helper she was.
Yes.
Akirema.
Yes.
Hafa wathi Nairobi muthokoma.
Yes.
Mami wale tu akirema. Akithagia mbori na ngoko na ng'ombe.
Good. Niguo maundu makinyanire.
Maundu makinyanire. What was she doing? She was a helper. Ati mwisho wa mweri thoguo kakurehe school fees ri na maundu maria mangire akora atiriri kwina karia karariho gake kama mimi wa endeti.
Yes.
Akwa atiriri ni muthuri wake Besho shairi ekatire ndukiongerera hari ndakunengera ureke kula school fees nganya na ngani na rocio ri ugekona nona you get the point.
Correct.
Why are you trying to think that it is a new thing today? No, ketwa sheje to haha twathie haha.
Good.
It's the same thing. It's the same narrative of helping. A guy who started here and tell you, mimi sijaiona maadhi akienda job. Ndio wao mnagadhie job nema, no wathia akulima. Not job. No ahura nguo, not job.
Yes.
No warugaga.
Nebe.
Not job.
Niguo.
No muthe ndika nyumba wandike munyitu wa wira. Arugage.
Yes.
Ahurage nguo, athambagie nyumba.
Good.
And you also don't want to do anything to help this man. Tothie wira. Nakune TikTok. It is okay be TikTok.
Yes.
In social media, it's okay be social media. But you are a helper.
Yes.
Be a helper who is present, help and support. Some of these men have become animals. Reason? No mama dekererio.
Go pampo modo maiki.
Akikiro ko wira-ini. Akora MD nyamo dekire maroba. Ma performance. Haya akikiagwa echara kama ita ofisi yake. Haya kikiagwa asimanye na thuria makona okiama meno ndo malenda. Akikiagwa kwa kanitha inde kwenda mundu lakwira kanitha kwa utobea cia kanitha. Aikinya nyumba na kuore. Risire na haure.
Ni nene.
Iga no.
Haya, keturani etiriri.
Mwendeke atia.
Keturani etiriri. Mundu turuga ni atuika na narcissist. Kituna twambe turone mundurume. Mundurume le tuga ni atuika na narcissist. Mundu no atuike narcissist na atuike ati no mundu urenda family yake. Can this person be a narcissist na korwo ario in love na family yake? Kari undu ucio no acenje the love that ya occupy on this nature of narcissism. Mujitikirie kiugo kiu ndihudire kiugo kiu. Yes.
Most of them, the larger percentage, they don't feel love anywhere. They don't give love anywhere, including to their own wives and including to their own husbands.
Good.
Because for them, they feel in their cocoon, they are satisfied. Men are everything in their basket. Okay? And you can't really, when you try to bring it on, they reject it.
Correct.
Harshly. Because for them, they feel...
Why didn't satisfied?
One,
yes.
Maiguaga on, of course, nini number one. In kirathi kia besa, kirathi yake.
Yes.
And that's why these people, when they lack something, especially if that status goes down, correct, they now start reacting in a very bad way. Because they don't believe in a no. To do a no to them
never
is not
believe
there.
For an answer.
In their whole life,
yes,
no has never been there. Including kulia adikito wofishi. Including kulia okira agathie rusini rusini. Kinya gwake nyumba. Kinya kwa nyina na waithe. Madoi. No. Then it happens one day, the no comes in. They don't know how to handle the no. It's only by grace of God.
Yes.
Akoragire mundu rigi uyuketio na akoragire mundu tikete Kristo na ni mundu ukorete thini wa kiungai. Ati ni akuyuria ciuria na ni akora mundu kumuria ciuria igire kana ithatu. But even in churches we see them. It comes actually out very bloodily in service as leaders, because they also want to be leaders everywhere.
Naenda gutuika ni umara togurie kundu guothe.
And because they don't believe na kwirwo.
Haya, good. Twari horo igia ndo megwitwo narcissist na maundu macio mothe. He mundu kuria tiriri. Undu uyu ni ukaga na age. Certain age.
It should not, and it is not supposed to be. Because it's not something that you say,
yes,
correct. Remember, there is that disorder, and it's a personality thing. It's a personality disorder. Okay? How would you do it when whether issue is sawa, after issue? I should do my unstable emotional people.
Yes.
And emotions, she behavior go,
and I
she echo.
Yes.
You see, those are it's a different thing. Narcissist ni okola modo you. Actually, chagi kwenda na kuhoera gai muno duati. Ukimena a narcissist who is a woman. Oi. But you can't know unless you learn these red flags.
Correct.
But you see in relationship, what do you do? You assume them. Anakasika my husband anakasikanga hivyo. Anakasikanga hivyo bara mbele ya watu.
There has to be something.
Ata akuwa na wazee wenzake anakasikanga hivyo. Okay?
Ekiuria hau tutarona ni hau hega. Heki ulia kihau utare ulia wega.
Yes.
Yes.
Hapana, hatakangi kwa twende na yeye mahali. Hatakangi. Juu ya nini?
Wewe na thina.
Unanyita? By that time wakati nijifungua ataanji kuona mtoto. Atataki kuona mtoto. I mean, to you are just there saying hatakangi. What you forget is it is a kitchen.
Yes.
Ni athondekwo kitchen nje kama no na riko riakwo riekirwo guo na igirwo mani maratharuka pole pole munya mare guitikira magocine utuike muthungu handu utuike mundu muiru
atiriri twari horo wa relationship muthuri na mutumia me hau uguo na umwe wao ni atuika narcissist kiuria kiria ngoria ni riri undu uyu ni ugutiriga kindu gigwitwo cheating in a relationship. For example, muthuri ni atuika narcissist. Muthuri ucio ni gutirigwo guthie gwika kana guthie gwetha ndugu ingi nja ya kihiko giki kiao.
Most of them don't, because remember we said or many meitikitie and they don't believe na utigwo. The only thing they can do, they can be players.
Ndikuruga athie atuike
no ni player.
Yes.
Tondu weri wa gukuoya alikia nawe agote.
Correct.
So that includes even wewe nyumba wake.
Good.
Ona wele tiri ngwana ikaite ko. We no ga ikwibiri than do maybe 1 2 3 things. That is the nature yake. Kuoya kurekia nayo wote. Because I believe I'm always supposed to get the best.
Correct.
So my desires is getting the best. What I can now mwako mwere gona na mwako
yes.
I mean, you're not my type now. Yes. Because you're not my type, I can go to another level.
Yes.
And most of them die. One, miserable. Miserable people. Makuwa matari na aratara with them. Na makuwa a very disappointing. No, did you give me that? Especially when they get old.
Yes.
Because when they get old, they start realizing themselves. Because when somebody clocks 70, they are needed out of care. From 60, 65.
Yes.
Then they need care. But what did you do? In your young age, you're 30, you lost everyone. You lost everybody. No how to get her.
Or do to in age?
Yes. What happens? No, I'll query ya. Because again, no mean here to have a estimate can have you.
Correct.
No mean an ego.
I carry ego.
No, estimate is low, but the ego is still
high.
How come Tavia? I'll query odo. Because I actually end my own, all I know my daily monarch. I got to near Dwake. Yes. I don't know near Dwamamoe, one minute you're more Dwakaragia, one a co. No matter how you be monarchy. Yes. Monaka kama nako na chenyo beno athia kumuheja kamugera hau ndo mukweja kwotha na ke na mukwaju.
Good.
Because they die bitter people, they live bitter life.